Good afternoon, friends. See, it's 12:30 p.m. I could not wake up early in the morning. Okay. Just now I entered the trade in Nifty 50 since it has expiry. Okay. I entered here. Okay. It's showing us loss, no issues, but we'll wait. Okay. I will give the explanation why I entered the trade, the logic and the reasoning. Okay. After the trade, look, friends, it's showing us the profit now, 300 rupees. We'll wait. Look, friends, market is going in our direction because we have sold the C. It means that our view is downwards. Okay, so it's showing the profit now. Look, friends, it's showing us a profit of 600 rupees. Because the market is going in our direction. Okay, I will wait for some more time. Okay, friends, it's showing us the profit of 800 rupees. Okay, because the market is moving in our direction. Okay. Look, friends, now we got the profit of 900 rupees, okay, because the market is going in our direction, okay. Friends, the profit is 842 rupees, and you can see the time is 2:55, okay. Only 20 minutes remaining, okay. I'm in the mid. If the market goes below, I will get all the theta, okay. Otherwise, if it goes up, I will lose this profit, okay. So it's very risky. Now I will decide what to do, okay. And now, friends, I will book the profit, okay. Because it's only 15 minutes remaining. If the market gives a bullish movement, then I will lose this profit as well. Okay. Therefore, I will exit now. Okay. See, I'm exiting the trade now. Okay. You can see it's here. I exited this as well. Okay. Okay, friends. Now, friends, I will show you the logic. Okay. Why I entered the trade. Okay. You can see market had a gap up opening today, and it came all the way down here. Okay, so I draw these fib levels, you see, from high to low. You can see here I have drawn this fib level. Okay, friends, now this is the zero point 0.5 level. Okay, once the market goes here, there are high chances that market may turn back. You can see from here there is a rejection. Okay, so I entered the trade here, friends. Okay, 12:25 I entered the trade here, and then market and I came down as per my view because I sold this C, so my view was bearish. Okay, after it went until this level and it gave the rejection. Okay, you can see, and then I had this profit. Okay, I had this profit. Okay, friends, this was the reasoning and the logic why I entered the trade. Okay? Good